This is a tutorial for Trimble SiteVision. For more information on this product, visit sitevision.trimble.com or contact your local dealer. Hello, and welcome to another Trimble SiteVision tutorial. In this segment, we'll be going through how to modify your GNSS accuracy settings to suit your workspace and how to calibrate your EDM on your SiteVision bracket. Sometimes, your work with SiteVision may lead you into areas with poor or intermittent GNSS connections, such as an urban area or forest. In these cases, it may be better to change your accuracy settings to allow SiteVision to operate in your work environment. Please note that doing this will reduce the accuracy of your model placement and may result in models moving in place or wandering. The SiteVision bracket also comes with a built-in Electronic Distance Measurement Unit, or EDM. When using SiteVision for the first time, or when using a different phone with SiteVision, you will need to calibrate the EDM for the most accurate results. To go straight to this segment, skip to the timecode shown on the screen now. To configure your GNSS accuracy settings, in the SiteVision app, tap the menu icon in the lower left corner. Select Tools, then select Configuration. When the Configuration menu is open, tap the Advanced icon in the lower right of the window. Under the General category, you can now configure your minimum distance to walk as well as your GNSS minimum height accuracy. As a general rule of thumb, shorter walk distances will result in less accurate model alignment. For precision work, such as utilities or earthworks, we recommend a minimum high accuracy of 5 centimeters or 1 to 2/10 of a foot. For applications that don't require as much precision, like showing a building or road, we would recommend a setting of 30 centimeters or 1 foot instead. Now that your accuracy settings have been configured, we will now move on to calibrating the EDM unit. To calibrate your EDM, first make sure that the phone is mounted to the bracket, that it included batteries inserted, and that the phone is connected to the catalyst antenna with the included cable. To look into these steps in more detail, please consult the hardware setup tutorial. Turn on the EDM by pressing the gray rectangular button on the bracket just below the catalyst antenna. If it isn't already open, log in to the SiteVision app on your phone. Tap the menu button in the lower left corner. Select Tools, then Configuration. Under the General category, you'll see EDM Alignment with the buttons Reset and Start on the right. Tap the Start button to begin the EDM calibration process. We recommend performing this indoors to see the laser pointer more clearly and to mount your phone to a stable surface such as a range pole, before starting this calibration. Note that in this scenario, calibrating the EDM is not the same as calibrating the distance measurements, but rather where the EDM points to in relation to the phone's camera. For proper calibration, you will need at least one target that you can measure from 0.8 to 1 foot away, and from over 13 feet away. You will be starting the calibration with the closer measurement of 0.8 to 1 foot. Find the laser sight's position in the real world and move the SiteVision unit to align it to your target. Then use the joystick bubble on the phone to align the crosshair to the laser's point. When you're able to take a valid measurement, the crosshair itself will turn white. Tap Select Point 1 to take this measurement. Then, move further away from your target to take the second measurement of 13 feet or more. Repeat the same process as before by aligning the on-screen crosshair to the laser point in the real world. When the crosshair turns white, tap Select Point 2 to take the measurement. This completes the EDM calibration process.